Here's the boat leaving from New London, Connecticut. It goes to the other side. It takes a lot of cars with it. It brings it on the other side. I just don't know where on the other side, but it goes on the other side. That's for sure. Look how close we are. This is awesome. Now it's picking up speed. Now it's picking up speed. They got cars right in there. Right in there, they got cars. And I guess they take them from one side to the next. I gotta find out what's on the other side. Maybe I'll go on there to check it out and come back. Cause that boat goes back and forth several times a day. So, you know, so I want to find out. You know, see the boat? Nice boat. From New London, Connecticut, there's the boat. We got the trains and the boat. They all blow their horns. There we go. There it goes. See you when you get back. Adios.